Hey, this is Abby, and I'm gonna click on the song that has. It's my favorite song from the summer, and
What do you think about that?
I don't know. I think they're working really hard.
What do you think about all that?
That's some crazy nonsense right there.
Here's another random video.
I clicked on the wrong thing. Wow. Okay, well, bye, guys.